Solo Traveler here, and yes, it's another packing video. So normally on my travel day, I work all day, and then I come home, I pack really quickly, and I head out. The show that I'm doing now, just started this weekend, is a fireworks show. So I don't get off until 11 o'clock. Boarding starts at 11:06. Now, I'm not really good at math, but I don't think that will work out. So, because of that, I end up today, packing. And so, I'm kind of obsessing about it. I don't know, I think about it way too much. Usually, I don't have to. I'm a single guy, solo traveler. It's not a whole lot that I bring, and I know exactly what I'm going to bring. What I have done is sort of pre-packed. I got everything already. First thing I'm going to do, however, is set up my cigars. I got my little travel case here. Let's pull out some of my favorite cigars. I think I can bring 8 with me. So I'm going to bring a Romeo and Julieta. I like those. And I'm going to bring oh wait, that's another Romeo and Julieta. What is this? This is this is a Gurkha Torpedo. I like the Gurkhas. So I'll bring 1 Romeo and Julieta. Well, maybe I'll bring 2 Romeo and Julietas. Oh, this is a little longer one than this one. Okay. I'm going to bring this Gurkha Blue Blood. And then the rest of these Gurkha Colorados. I really, really like these. So I'll bring 4 of those. And then I already have 1 of the little torpedoes. So that should do it. This little travel case has a little place in here, and that's already wet. So that'll be it for my cigars. I already have my my lighter in my backpack. I've already put most of the stuff in the backpack, stuff that I take on board with me. And then everything else is sort of sitting here ready to put in my bag. So let's get my suitcase. Okay. There we go. Oh, so already inside my suitcase, I have my swim trunks, which I never use. I have a brand new package of underwear, and then some more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that should be enough. And a bag for the dirty clothes. So let me start with, I'm going to start by putting my snacks in. Since I am taking Magical Express, I'm not going to stop at a store, so I just sort of bring my own snacks. I have 12 of them. That should be good. Since I'm staying at French Quarter, I really like their breakfast. They have those beignets. They also have shrimp and grits. And then they just have really good biscuits and gravy, or at least they did a couple years ago when I stayed there. So I will tend to eat more breakfast at the resort. So then what I like to do is put all of this stuff and my socks down for padding. I'm bringing some long sleeve shirts because it's going to be colder than normal than when I usually go in September, which is hot. So we're going to do that here, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my shoes. So I bring an extra pair of shoes, and in them I put a lot of my electronics. So I put my batteries, my battery chargers, and then a lot of my electronics. What I already have in here is I've got all my toiletries. I just leave them there all the time. I have a bunch of masks, and then I do have iPhone charger and some USB plugs in here. I just keep these in there all the time. I also have some cold medicine. A few years ago, I got a little sick on one of my trips, and I needed some cold medicine, and it was so expensive there. So I bring a little bit, just in case I get a little scratchy throat or anything like that. I've got it. So I'm gonna put my shoes here. My shoes filled with various electronic things. It's all gonna go right here. And then, and I know this is a little bit controversial, I put my laptop in. I know people say don't do it because, I know this is going to get tossed around and thrown and all that kind of stuff, but I don't know. Even though it's a MacBook Air, it's really light. I have enough stuff in my bag. I have cameras. I've got my iPad in there. So I just like to put my laptop in here. What else have I got? I'll put my cigars here. Got my little Anchor speaker. I'll put that here. Let's see what else. Yes. I'm bringing 3 hats and an extra Magic Band. This is my 50th Magic Band. I'm going to bring that one. It's going to go here. And we'll finish it off with this. This will just sort of lay over the top of everything. And last but not least, right on top, the coffee. So when they invariably, TSA opens it up, they'll see the coffee right on top. So that's it. You see how fast I have everything so set up that, I don't need to do much. So that's it. The last thing I'm going to put in is I'm taking my Nikon with me. It's the one shooting here. And I'm going to take off this lens. I've got a 35 prime lens right here. And I'm going to take that off and I'm going to put that in here. And then I'm going to put a zoom lens on, and I'm going to put the camera and the zoom lens in my backpack. What I carry in my backpack are the 2 cameras, the 2 GoPros, the Nikon, an iPad. That's kind of it, water. And then I carry a couple of big sweatshirts that I use as a pillow and, a little armrest, that kind of thing. I've already checked. This flight is absolutely packed. I think that's it. That is it. All right, solo traveler, on my way to Disney World.